This is important as a teacher. How do we motivate our clients, okay? We have to give them purpose. What Joe says in his book is if you give your client purpose, they work harder. They concentrate more. Once they work harder and concentrate more, transformation happens. Your hands are here for a reason. They're gauging your powerhouse. As you roll back, you're feeling your stomach come off your hand. Your hands are not out here, they're touching. Feel the stomach come off of the hands. When you come up, feel it come off of the hands more. We always go to our comfort zone, and that's exercise. That's not transformation. We have to go beyond our comfort zone. So at the end of every exercise, we have to say, feel that? That's the change. That's what changes the body. Going to your comfort zone just keeps you at the same place.